So I'm Danny from DB Builders Sussex Limited. So we build everything to do with building. We do the whole shebang. The variety of works that we do, we need a lot of power. The new XGT, I waited a while for that, and to be fair, since having it, it's been a game changer. My name's Danny, and this is Kitted Up by Makita. From a young age, all I wanted to be was a speedway rider, someone who just rode around a track on a motorbike. But obviously during the off season, I had to be doing something, and my granddad was a bricklayer. My uncle was a plumber. So I decided to get involved in the building game. But having ADHD, I didn't want to be doing one specific job. So I dived in at the deep end and went on my own at a young age, and yeah, started from there really, learning from the best, soaked everything up like a sponge, and I am where I am now. With what we come across, every challenge, I will not be beaten. Some people call me crazy, but I love coming up against things and coming up with solutions, and yeah, just trying to be that one better person, to be fair. Absolutely love what I do. Don't ask me why, because it does get stressful, but yeah, this is where I am because we take a lot of pride in what we do. So yeah, that's the story. It's very important to have decent tools to be able to give the client the product of work that they should expect, basically. I mean, all of the tools that we use are specifically for the jobs that we do, and they do a perfect job. So obviously that makes us that one step above everybody else. Everything I've used from Makita. So my brother had Makita, John, Luke, they've all had the LXT stuff. And obviously taking that jump over to the XGT when the 40 volt platform come out, it was a big jump for me, and yeah, it was the right choice. So since receiving the new XGT range has been brilliant. Battery life, all the tools have got plenty of power, which obviously the variety of works that we do, we need the batteries to be lasting, which they are doing. It's been fantastic. So the future for us, I think, just keep growing as people, as a company. Like I say, we love what we do. We just don't want to stop until we get to the top, basically. There's plenty more out there. We've got lots of exciting things happening and coming. So yeah, it's all good.